What's up, YouTube? All right, we're back today with this video. We are installing. I ordered some FDF rear angle kits, or rear angle kits. Jesus Christ! I'm gonna restart. All right, so let's get this straight. We are installing FDF's rear tow arms and trailing arms on the 86 today. Um, I've got an appointment with an alignment rack guy who's going to help me really dial it in. So we're just going to give kind of a BS alignment, make sure everything's kind of straight, and just enough to get me until Wednesday to be able to do so. This is really the only clear day that I've got to do it. So we're going to give it a shot. Basically, I'm going to take these parts here, and I'm going to try and match the length on them. I figure if the length's matched, should be pretty much good to go, right? In theory, we hope. Yeah. So, all I'm doing is I am taking this. This is where the tow arm was here, and then I've got to take this off here for the trailing, or yeah, the trailing arm. And then here, I'll show you what the parts look like. Oh god, getting too old for this. So this is what the parts here look like. This is the trailing arm, nice pretty purple. Thank you, FDF. This is quality right here, man. I'm very impressed with how this turned out. So again, Josiah and FDF team, thank you so much for what it is that you guys do for the industry. And then this here is our tow arm. So I'm gonna match this length to the stock length and hopefully get it in a position to where should be good to go. So I'm gonna get back after it, and I'll keep everything updated along the way. I can't set the camera up or nothing like that. I don't really have a way to do so, but it's all basic, simple stuff. Nuts and bolts. What can go wrong? All right, guys. So, no, it wasn't too bad. Oh, I didn't realize my face was dirty. Anyway, so we got it installed. We're gonna go 17, 17 on the bottom. Back there, those are 19s, and then up here are 17s, and then right here are 17s. I really hope all this is getting on video, but yeah, super simple. FDF made it super simple, super easy. It almost looks complicated whenever you're looking at it, you're putting it all together. Obviously, it's not stock, so it just looks a little different. But it all went on fairly easy. The centerpiece for the toe adjustment here, right there, that's 20 millimeters. And then the two outer side, I don't know what size it is, but I've been getting away with a 1-inch. It's a little bit too big, but I was able to pinch it and make it work for me. Well, all in all, man, that's pretty much it. Super simple, pretty freaking easy. You know, like I have absolutely no knowledge in any of this. I'm just turning bolts and turning wrenches. So I'm learning as I'm vlogging this, and hopefully I'll be able to shed some insight for you guys. And if you have any other questions, just reach out to me. My Instagram, live_sideways_Yoda, 2 A's and an H. You can also reach me through our Instagram page as well, live_sideways_official. And from there you can get like the whole team and be able to follow them as well. But I'm going to knock out the other side. Oh, I went ahead, like we took the tire on and off. We were adjusting for toe. We basically just kind of just did it by eyeball to make sure, you know, how we were in or out. We got as close as possible. I'll know on the test drive if I screwed it up or whatever. But like I said, I just needed to work for just a little bit until I can put it on the rack and really dial in the alignment. Yeah, what's up, Mimo? But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put the tire back on here. I'm going to go ahead and get over to the other side, get that all knocked out, and should be good to go. Until next time, I've got a couple other things to install. Going to be going up to my buddy Steven Larson's house. He's going to help me install the steel steering assist knob. This way I can have like control over how much assist it gives me or how little assist it gives me, and it's a continuous thing, right? Because these cars have like a variable assist thing, so over 40 miles an hour on the diff it reads, it takes away all the steering assist, where under that it will add some assist. So we want to mitigate that to be consistent, right? Whether I'm using 20% all the time or I'm going to use 0% all the time. I do believe some people use 0 assist just because it's consistent. It's nice. Plus, I also like hucking the wheel. This camera's getting like real shaky. I'm trying to figure out how to like mitigate that, but I don't think it's happening because I'm wide open right now. But yeah, so we're going to get the rest of this install done. And guys, until next time, don't forget to smash that subscribe, notification bell, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, if you want me to talk about the car. Also, we have everybody on the channel, on the team. Just run through them. They've got a bunch of playlists going on. Everybody's doing stuff this off season. It's getting kind of crazy. Dan kind of left the channel. He moved on and started his own thing. He's in the middle of doing LS swap. I think he's doing an LS2, I think, in a 240. So you can go check out his channel and keep up with him there. Otherwise, the rest of the team is on our channel, and we just added a new driver, which you guys probably would have already have seen that video. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Be easy. All right, guys, we are done. Both sides are put on. Just putting the tire on now, but we eyeballed it. It looks pretty good. Can't really see this side. Hey. And all your glory. Wasn't too bad.